Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the essentials. Apple ID, password, and two-factor authentication are active. Open Settings and tap your name to verify email and security. Once done, make sure your device is running the latest OS so compatibility issues don't block sign-in. If you use a work Apple ID, check with IT. Keep a trusted phone or device nearby to receive verification codes. Without that, you cannot complete the flow and the App Store sign-in will fail. You now sign in through the App Store profile button. Select Sign In or use existing Apple ID, then enter your credentials. When prompted, read each permission and tap Accept to continue. Next, input the two-factor code sent to your trusted device or phone. Do this quickly because codes expire. If the system asks about merging iCloud data, decide based on backups. Merge if you want combined content, replace if starting fresh. These choices affect app data and purchases, so choose deliberately. Finish by checking your App Store profile for purchases, subscriptions, and payment info to confirm everything synced. If sign-in fails, don't panic. Reboot the device, switch Wi-Fi, or enable cellular and retry. If problems persist, reset network settings or sign out of iCloud and sign back in. If credentials are the issue, use Forgot Password or Start Account Recovery. Only use recovery if locked out because it can take days. As one troubleshooting tip, try signing in on a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.